Welcome to Compare to Win. The best baking tray is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any kitchen, transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces with its even heat distribution and non-stick capabilities, ensuring your cookies come out perfectly golden and your roasted vegetables are tender every time, making it an indispensable ally for both novice bakers and seasoned chefs alike. Number 5. Nordic Ware Naturals Half-Sheet Pan, 2-pack. Experience perfectly even browning every time. Our bakeware is crafted from pure aluminum, ensuring superior heat conductivity for consistently delicious results. These premium pans are built to last. They are guaranteed never to rust, providing you with durable, long-lasting use in your kitchen. Say goodbye to warping. The encapsulated galvanized steel rims provide exceptional strength, maintaining the shape and quality of your pans through countless baking sessions. With generous exterior dimensions of 17.9 by 12.9 inches, these pans are perfectly sized for a wide variety of recipes and culinary creations. Crafted with care in America using domestic and imported materials, our aluminum bakeware is designed to withstand a lifetime of use in your home. What we like? This pan offers superior heat conductivity for perfectly browned results every time. Its encapsulated steel rim prevents warping, ensuring it maintains its shape through countless uses. If you're looking for a durable, high-quality pan that delivers consistent baking performance and is made in the USA, this is an excellent choice for serious home bakers. What people say. The tray is made of sturdy stainless steel, which is great for even heating and durability. It has a non-stick coating that makes cleaning up a breeze, no more scrubbing burnt-on food. The size is perfect for most standard ovens and fits a good amount of food without overcrowding. Number 4. NutriChef 3-piece non-stick baking pans. Introducing the NutriChef 3-piece non-stick cookware set, featuring small, medium, and large cookie pans. This flexible and stylish set offers a superior non-stick experience for all your baking needs. Our advanced non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, making healthy cooking a breeze. The heat-resistant exterior adds to its durability and performance. Crafted from durable carbon steel with a warp-resistant non-stick coating, these pans are designed for years of reliable baking, roasting, and toasting. They are safe for oven, refrigerator, and freezer use. Enjoy excellent food release and effortless cleanup with these versatile cookie sheets. They are dishwasher safe, stain-resistant, and feature a space-saving stackable design. The bold-colored silicone handles provide a confident and comfortable grip when removing pans from the oven. They are oven safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit for your peace of mind. What we like? This set provides 3 versatile sizes for all your baking needs, featuring a PTFE PFOA PFOS-free non-stick surface for easy food release and cleanup. The stylish red silicone handles offer a confident grip and heat resistance. If you appreciate convenience, easy cleaning, and a stylish addition to your kitchen, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The baking tray is made of heavy-duty carbon steel, which ensures even heat distribution and prevents warping. Its non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, as food residue slides right off. The raised edges are designed to prevent spills and overflow, keeping your oven clean. Number 3. Wilton Easy Layers Rectangle Sheet Cake Pan Set. Get ready to bake your favorite treats with this essential bakeware set. It's perfect for creating impressive layered cakes with minimal effort. These versatile pans aren't just for cakes. Stack them with delicious fillings like buttercream or fruit for stunning desserts. You can even bake multiple layers in one go. Enjoy a non-stick experience like never before. Our durable coating ensures your baked goods slide out easily, and cleanup is a breeze. The scratch-resistant, non-stick surface is made with safe, non-toxic silicone polyester. This ensures longevity and peace of mind with every use. Spend less time cleaning and more time baking. These pans are conveniently dishwasher safe, making them a must-have for any avid baker. This set includes 2 oblong, non-stick cake pans, each measuring 9 inches by 13 inches with a 0.75-inch height. What we like? Designed for creating impressive layered cakes with ease, this pan features a durable non-stick and scratch-resistant coating for effortless food release. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you love baking cakes and want a convenient way to achieve professional-looking results with minimal fuss, this is the perfect pan for you. What people say. The baking tray is made of stainless steel, which is durable and rust-resistant. It has a nonstick coating that makes cleaning easy. The tray is oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. GoodCook Everyday Nonstick Baking Sheet Set. Introducing the GoodCook Everyday Nonstick Baking Sheet Set. This set includes 3 versatile sizes, small, medium, and large, perfect for all your baking adventures. Experience consistently even heat distribution with these durable pans. They ensure thorough baking every time, leading to delicious results you'll love. Crafted from robust carbon steel, these pans are designed to resist warping and scratching. They are built for long-lasting durability and daily use in your kitchen. Our exclusive scratch-resistant non-stick coating provides a mess-free release for your baked goods. Serving your creations has never been easier. Cleanup is a breeze as these pans are dishwasher safe. For extended longevity, hand washing is recommended, but convenience is always an option. What we like. This set offers 3 convenient sizes, ensuring you have the right pan for any baking task, with heavy-duty gauge construction for even heat distribution. The exclusive scratch-resistant non-stick coating provides a mess-free release of your baked goods. If you need a reliable, versatile set for everyday baking with excellent results and easy cleanup, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The tray is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to rust. Its non-stick surface makes cleaning up after baking a breeze, preventing food from sticking. The raised edges are designed to prevent spills and overflow, keeping the oven clean. Number 1. Nordic Ware Oven Crisp Baking Tray 2PC Set. Introducing the Nordic Ware Oven Crisp Baking Tray 2PC Set. It's designed for versatile cooking, perfect for air frying, crisping, broiling, and baking. This set is great for making a variety of delicious treats. You can prepare everything from crispy fries and veggies to bacon and jerky. Enjoy a healthier option than traditional frying. The pan catches drippings, while the rack elevates your food for optimal hot air circulation. Crafted from natural aluminum, it conducts heat rapidly and evenly. This ensures beautifully browned results for all your culinary creations. Cleanup is simple with this set, though hand washing is recommended. Please note that acidic ingredients may affect the aluminum surface over time. Proudly made in America using both domestic and imported materials and components. What we like. This set is perfect for achieving crispier results with air frying, broiling, or baking, as the included rack elevates food for optimal hot air circulation. The natural aluminum pan conducts heat rapidly and evenly for beautifully browned foods. If you're looking for a healthier alternative to frying and want to achieve perfectly crisp textures on items like fries, bacon, or vegetables, this set is a must-have. What people say. The baking tray is made of sturdy stainless steel, which ensures even heat distribution and prevents warping. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup incredibly easy, as food residue slides right off. The raised edges are deep enough to prevent spills and overflow during baking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.